Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Or why not visit us and buy your car in the traditional way? Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for a free valuation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01 332 58 5151.
Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford Focus for a little test drive. Car fires up very nicely with the start-stop button there, keyless start. Slipped into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there. Clutch and the gearbox feel good. Through all the gears with no issues. The suspension's riding the bumps on this country road very nicely. Brakes feel good. Steering feels nice. So the car is driving spot on as it should. The Ford Focus is a superb car to drive. Great forward visibility, really comfortable for everybody on board. And you've got fantastic specification on this model. It's also got the sat-nav, which you can see there, which is an upgrade. Large 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. On there you've also got DAB radio, as well as FM and AM and CD player. You've got an auxiliary input, USB port, plus Bluetooth, both for mobile phone, hands-free, and for audio streaming. So loads of different ways to connect your devices. Dual zone climate control down here means the passenger side can have it at different temperatures to the driver's side, should they wish. Also reverse parking sensors, which is audible beeping, as well as a visual display on the screen. Really nice leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and all the other controls you could possibly need at your fingertips. Heated front windscreen. Winter is coming, so that's going to be useful. Automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers. So yeah, top specification. Really nice example. Drives superbly. Good mileage, clocking in at just over 46,000 miles at the moment. So yeah, what a purchase this is going to be for somebody, hopefully for you. And there we are. So thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.